This is Sam Fulgar, founder and CEO of Evo Human X. I'm excited to share something with you that we have deployed for our clients, especially in the learning and development scene. We have developed a AI coach powered by 11 Labs. What's nice about this, or what's impressive about this coach, is that it's been trained and prompted on specific topics. Let's say for this topic right here, we're going to talk about confidence. It's going to coach me on my confidence. Let's give it a go.
Hi there, I'm Mark, your AI coach from Evo Human X. How can I help you today?
Hi Mark, I need your help with something. I get nervous when I present in front of my manager. I get anxious. So how can you help me with that?
I understand. Many people experience nervousness or anxiety when presenting to their manager. To best assist you, could you tell me a bit more about what specifically makes you anxious during these presentations? For example, is it the content of the presentation, the fear of judgment, or something else?
It's not the content. I am usually very prepared. I know what I'm talking about. It's just that when I'm actually presenting, kind of have this fear that I'm going to say something wrong or I'm going to embarrass myself.
That's completely understandable. The fear of making a mistake or embarrassing yourself is a common source of presentation anxiety. It sounds like you're already well prepared in terms of content, which is excellent. Let's focus on building your confidence in the delivery. To help me tailor advice to your situation, could you describe a typical presentation scenario? How large is the audience? Is it formal or informal? And what kind of feedback do you usually get?
The audience is around five to eight people. It's usually top management. As I said, I'm very prepared on the topic. It's a formal setting, definitely.
Okay, presenting to a small group of top management in a formal setting can definitely be nerve-wracking. However, the smaller audience size can actually be an advantage, as it allows for more personal interaction and potentially a more relaxed atmosphere than a larger presentation. Let's work on strategies to manage your anxiety and enhance your confidence in this specific context. One effective technique is to practice your presentation multiple times beforehand, ideally in front of a trusted friend or colleague who can provide constructive feedback.
I do practice, and I get feedback and everything.
That's great that you already incorporate practice and feedback into your preparation. That's a significant step toward overcoming presentation anxiety. Since you're already doing that, let's explore some additional techniques to further boost your confidence. One strategy is to focus on your breathing. Before you begin your presentation, take a few slow, deep breaths to calm your nerves. Another helpful approach is to visualize success. Before you start, spend a few moments picturing yourself delivering a confident and successful presentation. Imagine the positive feedback you'll receive and how accomplished you'll feel. Would you be open to trying these techniques and then sharing your experience?
Definitely, I do most of these things. I meditate, I prepare. It's just that when I'm sitting with my manager and top management, I get anxious and I feel like my performance is not the same. You know, if I wasn't presenting in front of them, I would probably be doing better.
I understand. It's common to feel the pressure of a high-stakes presentation, even with preparation and practice. The key here is to shift your focus from the potential negative outcomes, making a mistake, embarrassing yourself, to the positive aspects of the situation. Remind yourself that your manager and top management are there to hear your ideas and receive information, not to judge or criticize you. They likely recognize that nerves are normal. Try to view the presentation as an opportunity to share your expertise and contribute to the team's success, rather than a test of your worth. To help you practice this mindset shift, could you think of a specific positive aspect of your next presentation?
So I got this idea that maybe I'm focusing on being tested and evaluated rather than me contributing to sharing this information with the management so that we can execute better as a team. Is that better to think about it that way, to shift my focus?
Yes, precisely. Shifting your focus from being evaluated to contributing to the team's success is a powerful way to manage your anxiety. When you view the presentation as a collaborative effort rather than a personal performance test, the pressure significantly reduces. Instead of focusing on potential mistakes, concentrate on the value you bring to the table. your expertise, insights, and contributions to the team's goals. This reframing of your perspective can significantly reduce anxiety and enhance your confidence. To further solidify this new perspective, let's brainstorm some specific ways you can highlight your contribution.
So as you can see, we can use this in learning and development. We can use this post-training where they get support in terms of coaching. It has to be properly trained. We've only trained it on a couple of topics, such as confidence. The secret sauce is the prompting. It's the training. It's like you're taking any person and training them to be a coach. So how to have a seamless conversation, how to ask questions, how to dig deeper, to find more information rather than just giving advice. This is just an idea. There's more stuff coming. This is just a glimpse of what's possible when it comes to AI. We have agents that are performing role plays in terms of sales or customer service that we're using in our trainings and we're deploying in our clients' organizations. If you're interested in deploying a IVR or a AI voice agent, please get in touch with us and we're more than happy to assist you